This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 6th of March. I'm James Spann here, getting set to warm up through midweek, and weekend still looking a bit unsettled. Let's check out some of the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. How about the old Iron Man? Yeah, looking at Vulcan. That's the view coming from the top of the Daniel Building on 20th Street downtown on a brilliantly sunny early March afternoon. There's the Hamilton Skycam up at Hamilton High School in Marion County. Some high cirrus clouds moving in from Mississippi. Those are not rain-producing clouds. Those are up at about 20 to 25,000 feet. And way down south, wouldn't it be nice? Hey, it's about spring break week time for Gulf Shores. I think a lot of folks are out next week, so we better start talking about the beaches in our forecasts, as those beaches will be packed soon. Got that lead impulse producing some high clouds to the west of the state. Those will slip in here tonight, basically with no fanfare. The low level stay dry. Tonight, not as cold as last night. The big story is the trough carving out west, and we'll keep an eye on that thing. That's going to probably wet down the weekend to some degree. And, it feels so good. Temperatures are in the 60s this afternoon, about where they should be for this time of the year. The warm spots there, Muscle Shoals and Montgomery at 69. And around the nation, look at those 60s well up into parts of the high plains. Nebraska, Iowa, Illinois, as certainly feels like spring. There's our watch warning map around the nation, mostly red flag warnings, and those are issued when the air is very dry, it's breezy, and there's a high wildfire danger, and some winter storm and high wind issues out west. Thank goodness on the convective outlook, not a whole lot to show you. This is the day 2 outlook tomorrow, just a very small 5% ring over Oklahoma and Kansas. And on day 3, which is Thursday, standard slight risk of severe weather for parts of Texas and southern Oklahoma. Dallas-Fort Worth is in that, Mineral Wells, Abilene, Brownwood, Sherman-Denison. There's the rain for the next 5 days. Woo, boy. Hey, Texas has been in a drought here, so they'll take that. How about 6 inches of rain just east of Dallas, out there toward Terrell, Texas? And this is showing even Memphis getting some big numbers, 3 inches there. But around Alabama, the amounts really vary. Up around the Shoals, you got 2 inches. Down around Dothan, 1/2 inch. And I think most folks around here will see 1 inch of rain Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Some spots may be getting a bit more. We'll check the 12Z GFS. This is valid at 12 noon tomorrow at 500 millibars. There's your big upper low out west. And down below that, the day should be dry. We'll call it partly sunny with a high up in the 70s tomorrow. I say 70s, probably low 70s. The GFS is at 71. Thursday, mid-70s are likely. Showers and storms running from the Red River up to the Great Lakes. We know some colder air dipping into parts of the upper Midwest. And Friday, here's the deal. We've got the upper low kind of coming out. Part of it hangs back over Arizona, but the main upper low is over Oklahoma City. And down below that, that looks a little wet. Still, the heaviest rain Friday on this run over North Mississippi and Tennessee. And this is really suggesting not that much rain here Friday, but no doubt there could be some showers. And then Saturday is the upper low, just kind of sits back to the north and west. It just looks wet. And again, it's not going to rain all day Saturday if you got something planned outdoors, but it could rain at any time. There could be some thunder involved, but no severe weather expected. High should be in the low 70s, and by golly, pretty much the same deal on Sunday. The upper low is over southeast Missouri, and certainly in that position, that favors us with a good chance of showers and thunderstorms on Sunday. And again, that's not really a severe weather setup. Will it rain all day? Nope, but could come at any time. So outdoor activities, you'll need some rain gear. And even Monday of next week still looks wet. The lead upper system is moved to the northeast. We got what's left of the thing in Arizona coming out. And then finally Tuesday, some evidence of showers, but this run is not as wet as previous runs. We'll check the end of the forecast on March 22nd. Another upper low back over the southwest. And, of course, that's not a cold look. And down below that, that would be mild with showers and storms off to the west. And, again, no sign of any late season winter weather mischief on this run. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you live around here, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. That's ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
The first thing you've got to understand, you cannot rely on an outdoor siren. You cannot hear those inside a home, a building, a church. It won't work. You've got to get something inside your house. That's a weather radio or maybe a smartphone app. We work with a company that's developed a wonderful weather radio app for Android phones and iPhones. It knows where you are, and if you're in a tornado warning polygon, you get the warning. And if you're not, you don't. It's an effective device, and it's a great way to be sure you get the warning.